basically warm weather crop. In eastern states, it is grown in winter. In central and southern states, where there is not much variation in the climate, it also can be cultivated during Rabi season and rainy season. It can be successfully grown up to an elevation of 1800 meters. Heavy rain during flowering stage and seeding stage adversely affect the crop production. And coming to soil and land preparation, it can be grown on all soils, but it grows well on heavy soils like black cotton soils because of residual moisture, soil moisture condition. Generally, the farmers in heavy soil, they grow the black gram under residual moisture after the harvest of the lowland paddy. That is why for the heavy soils, for germination we do not generally give any irrigation with residual moisture. It germinates after that we go to irrigation. Land is prepared by one plant with moldboard plough followed by 2 to 3 harrowings followed by planting. The field should be well leveled and free from wind. For summer crop, one free flowing irrigation is essential. These are the varieties suitable for different states and different seasons. In coming to seed and sowing, it is same as Gemna. For Kharif, it is onset of monsoon like this. First week of June to first week of July. For Rabi, it is October, November. And for summer, it is March to April. Coming to seed rate, in Kharif, the seed rate is 12 to 15 kg seed per hectare. And sown with a row to row distance of 30 to 45 cm and 10 cm plant to plant spacing. In Rabi, 18 to 20 kg seed per hectare, 40 kg per hectare for rice colors because of late sowing and slow germination in rice cereals. In summer, it is 20 to 25 kg per hectare because of late plant growth, and the plant to plant distance is also placed at a 5 to 8 cm. Seed treatment is same as all the process. Mostly seed treatment with fungicide, Captan 3 gram, Avistin 2 gram per kg of seed, any insecticide to avoid any sucking insect pests, that is imidacloprid 7 gram per kg of seed. Since it is a pulse, it should be treated with both diazepam culture and PSB 7 to 10 gram per kg of seed. Then coming to manures and fertilizers, 15 to 20 kg nitrogen, that is phosphate dose, 40 to 50 kg phosphorus and 30 to 40 kg potash per hectare, along with 20 kg sulfur per hectare. Fertilizer should be always applied by drilling at the time of sowing or just before sowing in such a way that it should be 5 to 7 cm below the soil surface. Gypsum can be applied at the rate of 100 kg per hectare when there is both deficiency of calcium and sulfur. We do not go for lime application separate, sulfur application separate. Instead, we go for gypsum application content 100 kg per hectare. Coming to secondary and micronutrients, secondary soil violet cover. Zinc dose varies on different types of soils. If it is in the finger max, right, 2 to 3 kg per hectare. If it is specific red sandy and loamy soil, then you have to remember all these things. 2.5 kg for red sandy and loamy soil, black soil 1.5 to 2 kg, lateral medium and alluvial soils 2.5 kg. High organic carbon containing soils 3 kg zinc per hectare and low organic carbon containing soils 2.5 kg. Manganese is generally not applied as basal. Seed soaking seed treatment can be done with 2% manganese sulfate or foliar spray 1% manganese sulfate is recommended. Molybdenum basal, it is applied 0.5 kg sodium molybdate per hectare as basal or foliar spray or 1% sodium molybdate or seed treatment with 1% sodium molybdate. Coming to water management, in Kharif it is generally irrigated and in Rabi and summer crop it is generally irrigated crop. 3 to 4 irrigation, that is a branching, flowering and pot filling are essential, minimum essential. In coming to weed control, 1 or 2 hand weeding should be done after 40 days of sowing depending upon the weed density. If there is rain, continuous rain and hand weeding is not possible, we can go for integrated weed management method like application of fluid incorporation 1 kg air per hectare or pre-emergence application of penicillin same. Second, already these things I have covered in RR and Vendra. Penicillin 1 kg air per hectare.